Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Gonna make this quick, try to make it painless. Got some bad news to deliver. I know yesterday I made a video on the Air Max 2 Lite, the Atmos collab. I got them for $38, and I said I was going back to the outlet today to purchase the rest of the pairs and give them out for $38 to my subscribers. Called this morning. They're back up to $160 full retail. So it was a one-day quick strike type sale, President's Day sale. So I won't be going back to the outlet. Sorry for everybody that got it, if I got your hopes up, but that was my intentions, is to go and bless everybody for $40 on a pair. But it won't be happening. So shout out to y'all for rocking with the channel. But E-Money, I got your pair next to me, and we are on our way to the post office now. So first thing smoking, like I said early this morning. OVE.